Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is a very popular North Indian parathas, that is onion paratha or pyaz ka paratha. And before I dive into the channel or the recipe, I'm so sorry I have not been regular in uploading my videos, but I will try my level best to upload from now on. And to the recipe, here I have taken about 3 cups of wheat flour and I'm adding about 5 teaspoons of oil and the required salt for the flour or to make the dough. And I'm crumbling it and mixing it well. After this is done, I have taken about 3/4 plus extra water, but not completely 1 cup of water. And I'm mixing it well into a dough. And to mention guys, here I have changed the format of my video into a horizontal one, and I would like to hear you all if I should continue the horizontal format or the regular vertical format videos. So don't forget to comment what do you like to watch with. And after kneading this for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm tucking it in and keeping this dough aside. And now into a mixing bowl, I'm adding about 1 cup of chopped onions, half cup of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped chilies, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, the required salt. You can also add in chili powder if you wish to for the color or something, but I did not add, and the spiciness from chilies was enough for me. And I gave it a good mix before I add in the lemony or the amchur flavor. So here I'm adding about half a teaspoon of amchur powder. If you wish, you can also use lemon in this place. And make sure you don't add salt if you're not utilizing this mixture immediately, because if you add salt and keep it aside, then onions will tend to release water. And I'm taking the dough that was already kept aside for about the ball sized, and I'm dusting flour onto the counter and just rolling it very randomly, just a little thick, very thick obviously, and I'm just making it into a cup so that it is easy to fill in the mixture. And now I'm adding about 1 tablespoon or 1¼ tablespoon of the onion filling. I'm just kneading it and covering it well. And then I dust the flour again, and I started to roll it as thin as possible, like a normal paratha or chapati. And make sure that onion filling doesn't really pop out much or your parathas will break. And after I roll it to this thickness, I'm transferring it onto a hot tawa and cooking it well on both sides by applying about half a teaspoon of oil on each side. And to mention, these parathas definitely taste very yum because it has a piquant amount of onions in it, and to be honest, I consume a lot of onions and garlic, and I actually dump in these ingredients a lot. After the paratha is cooked properly, I served it along with thick curd, and it'll really taste amazing with curd. So don't forget to give this recipe a try and drop your comments on how it turns out and what next you want to watch on my channel. Until next time, bye!